What's up, guys? Talented Forever.
Welcome back.
Back again. Chainsaw Man. Whoa.
Midsaw Man.
Whoa.
Shing.
We're back.
Kapow.
I'm off the hype right now of Bleach 1000 Year Blood War. If you haven't seen that, go check those out. So if this is gonna top it for me, this needs to show out because those Bleach episodes.
You might get some seductive stuff in here.
Oh yeah, I really want to see if he's actually gonna get to feel up on power in this episode,
about that.
or if it's just gonna like blue ball us and blue ball him.
I mean,
It
we
better
definitely left off on a very precarious scene. You know the toilet scene.
That was the best scene of the anime so far.
Power be shitting for real.
Power Best Girl? Power Best Girl?
Yeah.
Power Best Girl?
Yeah. I don't know.
I'm still a Makima fan.
We're barely in.
Reese.
We're almost halfway
Who's
there.
that?
To be honest.
Sorry.
I like Kobeni.
Yeah,
It's pretty funny.
just like the anime.
Power kind of nasty. But
Hey, Nasty's fine. She's one of the homies, basically.
Shitting.
Power's like one of the homies. That's why she's the best
I
girl.
was like, the nasty. Oh.
I know.
hey, I was like, the nasty.
No.
He likes the homie.
You're saying the homies are nasty because Aki definitely isn't nasty.
I know.
Yeah,
Aki,
Aki is sophisticated.
I said that said it last
I don't
episode.
like
I think I can watch Aki like doing his lifestyle at home. You know, just chilling.
When he measured the detergents.
Yeah, just
That's so
him
clean.
just doing like.
That's so clean. We're just talking about animation.
I got
That's funny.
theories. I was thinking when we were watching last episode that Makima's eyes are a little weird. They're like a yellow reddish.
Yeah.
It's like weird because the only other person's eyes like that are powers.
No, just kidding.
Are powers. I'm like, is there something up with Makima? Maybe she's also a fiend or whatever they call it.
She can do this.
Ow.
I'm
I
mad.
thought it was this.
If she is, or she can do hollow
This.
purple, or what is that? What is the red one? Hollow red.
Reversal.
Technique reversal.
Nice.
JJK fans, go check out our JJK reactions.
They're not here yet.
They
They
don't
will
exist.
be here. If you're watching this video like 5 months late, they will have JJK reactions. So
Nice.
hopefully you enjoy those.
Other than that, I know this episode's titled Gun Devil. I do remember them saying the more like the people the more the people are afraid of like that first word, the stronger they are, or is it just like So
I think I told you that.
they said it in the
Oh, did
they
they?
said it in the anime.
They did.
Like last
Yeah.
episode of
It was
episode
like
4.
it was like when she was explaining
Nice.
something to Aki.
Like if
so.
you are, there's no such thing as a coffee devil or it's weak.
Oh yeah.
There's like car devils that are stronger.
So I hope maybe Gun Devil
Makes
might be
sense.
top tier. So
People are afraid of guns. I
public
guess.
speech devil. I don't know.
That's funny.
That could be kind of crazy.
Speaking of public speech,
It's
we had a guest
Oh
again
yeah,
today.
special guest again.
Special
Yes?
guest, which is probably going to be here for most of the weeks.
For Chainsaw Man. And maybe
yeah.
my parents.
Chainsaw for sure. Some of my heroes. We're figuring out scheduling that. We're busy.
Rodolfo, as you can see,
Oh.
is not here right now.
Oh, you mean
He is at work, sadly.
Yep.
Well, we won't see him here or the My Hero Saturday because then he'll be in Mexico.
He's in the walls.
So
He's
He's
going to
in
be
spirit.
partying it up in Mexico.
if you miss Rodolfo, here's a message from him.
Yo, what's up, everyone? Sorry I couldn't make it to the video today, but I know Deku's gonna whoop some ass today. Penis.
he's here in spirit. You know.
I just said that you did.
Thanks, Rodolfo.
I didn't say that.
Nice.
Sorry, that happens a lot around
He don't be listening.
I don't know. We'll see. But yeah.
Okay, I think we get right into it. I'm pretty excited. Am I
Yeah.
excited? We'll see. We'll see.
Oh, another thing I was going to ask is, what devil would you think would be the strongest if there's multiple devils that people feared the most? It's mainly a question for y'all too.
Death.
You think there's a death devil?
That would be actually
That
That would probably be pretty
or
strong.
Fear Devil.
fear.
Strongest.
Spider devil.
Spider devil.
Spider
Spider
devil.
devil.
Snake
Oh, mess
devil.
me up.
Snake devil.
You're feeling it. Snake
Drowning.
Drowning devil. The
devil.
ocean
Okay.
devil. Sea devil.
Okay, good
Heights,
answer.
heights
bro,
devil.
we get it. Alright.
Alright, yeah.
No drip devil.
Alright. We can get into this.
Season 1, episode 5, titled Gun Devil.
Zombie devil.
Oh,
Picking up
back
right.
up. She fell asleep
Because he's
because he has a done it.
yeah.
He gets 3 squeezes.
Come on,
And then it was
you
out of
got
toilet
this.
paper.
This is the dream.
Nice.
76.1.
Oh,
Oh, shit.
Oh my god.
There's no way this is happening in anime. It's live.
That's why y'all like Chainsaw Man. That's funny.
The final fondling.
What are we watching?
I don't know.
Chainsaw Man.
Chainsaw Man, I guess.
Nice.
Bro, he is speechless. Literally speechless.
Well, now he needs a new dream.
He's
What
just
is
a
it gonna
little
be?
boy. He's just like what, 16?
I mean, there's only one way up from here.
I love her.
Shit devil.
Damn, that cat just jumped
She
straight on.
did not care.
He's still stuck there? It's been like 3 days.
He
That's
got a
it.
taste.
I need more.
Bruh.
He's gonna want more, bro.
Trying to spot like details that
He's
aren't
good at
like,
everything, huh?
spoilers.
It's like for having kids. You can't have that anymore.
There's an ant on his head. I don't know what it's about, but there's an ant on his head. It's just
Oh,
chilling
yeah,
there.
there is.
I have no idea what it's about either.
The Donut Devil.
I don't know what that is. I think it's just for the OP. So there's no fight spoilers, you know?
What's about to happen?
Nice.
Look at that. What the fuck? He's fucking losing it, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Told you so.
I'm watching
Shut
it
up,
like
been
that.
me. It should have been me.
Imagine Aki walks in right now.
Yo.
Look at him.
I don't think he's biting any fingers.
What about, is this anime? We are truly cultured here at Chainsaw Man.
What's going on? Man?
I got it.
Makima's Riz is absolutely insane.
Oh my god, what the heck
It's
are we?
insane.
It's totally different.
Oh my god.
He's having a heart attack.
He's dying.
Oh.
Yo, Makima needs to chill.
Oh, we're about to see it. Bro, is that Aki?
都会のネズミの家族は外でキャッチボールしてよ。
太陽の具合が良くないんだ。一人でできる遊びをしなさい。
そんなのいつもだわ。
Bro, it is Aki. And the gun devil killed his family. I'm calling it. I'm calling it.
一人で遊びなさい。
I mean, he said.
But which one is Aki, though? He said A devil killed his whole family.
Mm.
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。
Fuck the cold patch.
For real. It's snowing. Or, it snowed. It's not snowing right now. And they live secluded as fuck.
So which one's Aki? The taller one?
Yeah.
ついてくんなよ。うざい。ついてくんなよ。
Falls over.
俺は一人で遊べるんだ。
Watch out. Hit him with Kong. Whatever his name is.
Oh, it looks so good.
I told you to leave me alone.
Oh, there's snow. That's off the trees. Man, they did it so much that their fucking hands are red.
The music.
お前が風邪ひくと俺が怒られるんだ。
No, that means something bad's about to happen. I'm assuming this is going to be the gun devil origin. We'll see, though.
家から
His brother's the gun devil? Nah, makes sense.
I do like
T-pose
the
running.
music. It's so different.
You like that it's different?
Yeah.
The music? Well, look at this happy moment.
Like, yeah, I wouldn't expect this type of music for this scene. Oh, what?
It's
Just
fun.
like that? No way. Wait, we
5
just
minutes.
that, so that one gust also took out his house?
I guess so.
This is good.
You think Aki's gonna be the one to take him down instead of Denji?
That's his whole thing.
Right?
Yeah.
The hotel.
The
Oh, they
Skull
sent
Squad
everyone.
pulling up?
Yeah.
おそらく10の悪魔の肉片を食べている悪魔です。公安隊員は得意四課
6
6人を
agents.
出動
The
させ
main
ます
squad.
Emino tweaking.
The episode.
Power
ended
had
as
that
well.
jacket in the
こ
manga?
のホテル内のどこ
No,
かに
she's
潜む
been wearing like different jackets.
ただの悪魔じゃない10の肉片
So
を
it's
食べ
usually
た
just a
悪
blue
魔
one.
10の悪魔本人がいるんじゃねえの肉片が大きいほど強く引き寄せられるこの程度じゃ違うそうなんだ
Act like he knows what he's talking about.
それわしによこせ
お前ら警護はどうしたあ
Yeah.
何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに警護使うんだよ
Yeah.
早川先輩よしやり
Gum.
早川先輩これから一緒に悪魔と戦う仲間として
Good. That's a good scene.
そいつらに背中任せて大丈夫なんですか片方はマジでもう片方はチンピラ中は信用で
They're
きま
so
せん
funny.
名前も知らねえあんたの唇には興味ないね
へ
じ
えじゃあレンジ君が悪魔を倒したらベロにキスして
Alright. The bar has been set higher.
Look
You
at
think
it.
if he kills the gun devil?
Yeah.
Nah, that
Oh.
devil.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure. Look at him.
男の子から戦うのが一番面白いやどうしようどうしよう血が飲みたい
I yearn for blood. Anya Forger.
Backstory.
That boy.
ブレーダーが少しは使えるように育てたうまくやれ
They've been knowing each other for a while.
What?
俺は秋よろしく
Oh no, one of their deaths is gonna be sad. Yeah, there's no way both of them make it through this anime.
She said, "Don't die on me, Aki." It's a good
Episode
sense.
ends.
It's probably about to.
What the? That threw me off.
That was the front one.
Look,
What the?
looks
There
like
it
those things were spirited
goes.
away. Oh,
I am the hand devil.
Nice.
Oh shit, she could be like. I don't even know.
Teamwork.
Nice. Got that, that was it.
Definitely not it though.
Kobeni scared moments now.
違う違う私の力なんじゃ
We're just it floated in fear.
The ghost devil.
Nice.
What the?
私の右目を食べさせた代わりにでしょそれに切り札は隠してるからオッケーオッケー
Okay, okay.
本当かのじゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする
Oh shit.
ごめんな悪いことしたらいつでも首を絞め殺せるぞ
That's cool. That's a cool shot.
めんどくさいから仲良くやろうよ
Fucking.
It's so funny.
俺とキスするんだから来るんじゃねえお前たちまだ悪魔が潜んでるんだぞ もう少し静かに
Oh.
Oh, one of these rooms. The whole place is a devil. Ah.
The hotel level.
どうした俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を上りましたよね
Cook your own ass, stupid.
Fucking Demon Slayer end move vibe. Turn himself into the hotel.
見間違いじゃねえな違う何かおかしい確認してくれ
God damn it, they're splitting up. That guy's dead.
Oh.
Just came down.
新井君今階段降りていったよね
あ
They animate her pretty good. Himeno got the ghost devil,
Yeah, that was cool. I like the little.
the hand. And you can't really see it. It was just showing like that it was the hand right there.
This
Yeah.
is the Kobeni outro.
I guess so.
It is.
She's top 3 girls. Never mind, no, she's not. Maybe. I don't know.
Himena or Kabani?
Kobeni?
Kobeni?
They're probably fighting for 3rd. Maybe. I don't know.
I know this guy's gonna die this fight.
What's his name?
Alright.
Alright. Ew.
A lot of blood.
She's smoking
It's
and
always so
shit.
trippy.
What? The outro?
Yeah.
Look at that. What the? Oh. Nice. Some intestine. Like, what other devils could there be? The finger devil? You scared of fingers?
This gun
The
devil
toe
seems pretty
devil.
final boss.
A lot of people, like, they said that, like, fear of guns rose because everybody was
Yeah.
getting them. It's definitely strong as fuck.
That was cool.
With the little end, like all their faces coming together.
It was,
Pretty okay.
All their faces
Yeah,
come
I
together.
think it was a good episode. It was just like nothing much was going on.
Don't
Well,
pull a
then-
fight.
I'm like glad that it was like I won't say glad, but like I'm glad we're not getting just like kind of
Like a
the
big
same
fight.
pacing like fight every episode. I'm glad that this was more like tame.
Yeah.
Story.
I
And,
take that. I really like the first 3/4 of the episode better than the last.
I think this episode really showed like why Chainsaw Man is pretty good. It's not that it's another like Demon Slayer situation where not even like excluding hype. I just think the characters are really good and the interactions really good.
The characters are good.
I think the animation and especially
think
the voice acting
Yep.
really carries the show.
Pouch is my
Kishibe.
favorite voice.
They're all the voices are like really good.
Who's
Wait,
that?
do you even know who Kishibe is?
No.
No.
Not me.
Oh,
It's a guy. I think is that guy we saw for a second.
Yeah.
that's hype actually.
Yeah.
Boy.
But yeah, I think the voice acting is like really good. And just seeing them interact.
Mhm.
But unlike Demon Slayer though, I think like
Like
the story has a lot more mystery to it.
Yes.
I can say that. I
It's
still
not
don't think
before.
it's S tier story, but I think the characters definitely make it what it is.
Yeah.
Yes. That's what it is for Demon Slayer too for me.
Yeah.
It's the characters that make it.
I think that's. Like I said, I don't think Denji will. Obviously, with a devil that can literally obliterated a city and 1.2 million people in like
Not even
what,
be able
just
to
like
see it.
one blast.
5
or-
minutes.
In
It
5
took
minutes
5
or
minutes, yeah.
Like I can't see Denji is like strong. but, like,
Denji's like.
it would definitely need. It's gonna have to be like either a team effort or like someone's gonna have to enter the game.
Do you think it's
that's,
gonna
like,
be Denji, Aki, or both?
I don't see any of their powers like having that strength.
Well, I imagine the gun devil being like huge as fuck. So I can't imagine like it, like the wolf like just eating it.
It'll
or,
help,
like,
but like
or like him like being able to like if it's a gun, it's metal. Usually all the devils he fought now are like flesh.
Yeah.
So like going against like a gun with chainsaws, like probably would be good. So I'm actually really excited to see how this is gonna play. And obviously
What do you
like
think about Aki's backstory?
that. I mean,
It's kind of fucked up.
that's
no,
pretty
this
bad.
for that scene where oh
Yeah,
my,
just seeing his brother.
his
go
brother
in,
just bye.
close
Well, at
the
least it
door.
was painless.
Boom.
At the very least, that dude probably died literally instantly. Like, he wiped shit out. So,
That's crazy.
That's I feel like
Then Himeno and his backstory, how they met.
Yeah.
That was
Yeah.
cool.
Keisha Bay dropped him off.
Probably we'll
She's your
get
partner.
That's
More
just
of
leading,
her.
that's just
Mena
leading
seems
into,
like the
a-
nicest person in the
A
anime.
death.
It's just leading to one of them die.
He's like, this is your new partner, and she was literally at the funeral of her other partner, right? The last one that died.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She was.
Bro, she's gonna die, and Aki's gonna say to her, like, you know, not say it, like, don't die on me or whatever.
Damn,
That's
that'd be
just
bad.
gonna be crazy. That's just gonna have me.
That'd be horrible.
That's just gonna be crying.
You're gonna be crying.
I mean, they've definitely been there for a while because they call everyone else rookies and stuff.
Do you like Himeno?
Hey,
Of
man,
what you've seen about her?
yeah,
I think Himena's
I like-
gonna be a fair. Either Himena or Kobani.
She's
I like
pretty
Himeno
cool.
so
She's
far
pretty
more
cool.
than Kobeni, just because Kobeni right now just.
She doesn't even say
that's
anything. She doesn't even say anything.
No, just freaking out. Nothing's even happening.
Himeno's cool. She has green
Yeah.
hair, so
I'm still waiting on
She
that.
has to be up there.
That scene.
what?
green hair.
She has green hair.
Her hair isn't green.
It's a shade of green.
Yes, it is.
That's a
It's
dark,
dark
shade
as
of
green.
That's
It's
dark,
green.
dark.
I can't even see
Maki's is
it.
dark, dark.
Not
Yeah,
that
I
dark.
thought
it's
it
not.
was-
Maki's isn't that dark, but that's dark.
Maki's is noticeably.
Honestly,
Well, I
thought-
can't even see Maki's. So
Honestly,
like,
I thought that was black. I
yeah,
don't-
it looks.
I don't-
Really,
doesn't
if
even
that's
look
green, that's like.
It doesn't even look green to me.
Especially the way Chainsaw Man does her lighting. It's like
Whatever.
dark
Aki's
as
hair
fuck
is
all the
black.
time.
Look
Aki's
at their
hair is
hair.
black.
You
Aki's
see
hair
that?
is like
But
It's black.
it's more like it's black, but I feel like it's not like I feel like it has like a blue tint to it.
I can see that.
Yeah.
okay, we can say that Himena's hair is black, but has a green tint.
Yeah.
Power's hair not
I agree.
pink. Power's hair isn't pink. He's pink.
It's cool.
It's pink in like the shade.
It's more
Yeah.
okay. Look, like in the trailers, her hair was nowhere near.
It wasn't.
Like
I
it was,
feel
it was
they
like
changed
blonde.
I feel like,
Like-
they changed it because everybody was mad that it was.
Yeah, because this is her actual hair. Well, this is closer to her actual hair color.
I mean, I would say that's more pinkish than blonde.
it is, yeah. Which
Like in the lighting,
that's
on,
the
like,
power
the first
color.
or second episode, it was literally like every now and then it looked blonde, and every now and then it looked really pink. It's just the lighting, I guess.
So
Especially with the power ending, it's definitely pink.
so are like Himeno, Kobani, and Arai? Is that his name?
Yeah, right.
Are they like Aki's squad?
Yeah, they
And
are in
then
Division 4.
Just Power and Denji just like are like under Aki's, but they're not taking.
They're
up
like
on
a
that.
special thing, but yeah, they're
Yeah.
under 'em.
Okay, so that's why these.
So they're
people
all
are
squad.
always with him because that's like his. He's like the leader of them.
Those are the real people that he's actually caring about and not treating like Power and Denji.
Well, they're also actually humans. So
Yeah. So,
Interesting.
He doesn't like fiends or devils at all. So
even though Denji's basically human, he just
Till he pulls
unfortunate.
string.
He's just
He
unfortunate.
doesn't have a human
This is
heart.
his only choice.
I guess we
Well,
shall see.
what did y'all think of this episode? I'll give it a good 7, maybe.
I think I still like episode 3 more.
I give it a
3?
6.5.
I give it a 7.5.
7.
8,
What's
maybe
the-
8.
Beach Devil
being
is 4.
generous.
I say 7.
Bat Devil is 3.
7. It served its purpose.
What was
Yeah.
the episode that we liked the most?
4.
4. Last
That's
episode was
when
like
they fought the
best
Leech
episode.
Devil and
It
Con.
was like 2,
I think it was 2.
2,
2.
2, 1, 3, 4, or 2, 1,
2, 1, 4, 3. Nah,
2, 4, 1, 3.
I don't remember.
We're
Two,
getting too
four.
far now.
I think episode 4 has been the best one for me. so
If you want to know the answer, you go check out our last video because we said it.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
did.
I
There's
agree
some
with that
memory
though.
loss.
4 is definitely the best so far.
4 is pretty good when it
That
was
was
running
hype.
around. I think
Going
2 is
crazy.
mine.
My favorite's 4.
The Nut Devil.
I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like,
Comments.
Subscribe.
and we'll see y'all next time.
Goodbye.